Let's talk about bugs, or more specific, the bad and the good. Let's start with the bad, aphids. Aphids suck plant juices, which weakens the host plant, causing slow and stunted growth. Leaves may become mottled, yellowed, or curled, and prolonged feeding may eventually kill the plant. Some aphids also transmit harmful plant diseases. Stink bugs. Stink bugs are orange to black, flat-bodied insects growing up to 2.5 centimeters in length that release caustic, smelly secretions when disturbed. They can do a lot of damage as they suck sap from new shoots and flower stems, causing them to wither. And then you've lost your crop. Here are some more bad bugs. If I say them all, it would take forever. Now the good bugs. Ladybugs love to eat aphids, mites, and scale insects that destroy a lot of common garden plants like roses. So they are great to have in your backyard. They are true protectors. Praying mantises. Praying mantises can clean your garden of bad insects, but they can also devour good ones too. The bad guys these critters target include leafhoppers, aphids, flies, crickets, grasshoppers, spiders. And here are some more good bugs. If this video helped you, please give this video a like to let me know. And share this vid to help me out.